Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I turn these dull, sad pieces into these chrome ones with only one coat of paint. So quite recently I posted a video of me showing how I made Beltrinus, my glass robot doll, but there is something I left out of that video, his tail. I mentioned that I didn't want to take too much time on the video and I would come back to his tail later. The reason I didn't include it in that video was because I wasn't able to coat his tail pieces in a way to look nice with the powder. I guess I could have used my liquid chrome pen, but it lost its chrome power a long time ago. Plus, the nib is really small and I wanted the benefit of a paint. This put the project on pause until I saw a review for this stuff. When it was tested out in the video, it was shockingly a true chrome from what I could tell. No grainy texture or anything, like it actually looked like liquid mirror. So I bought it to test it out myself. I used a spare piece of 3D printed resin laying around to test it out. And man, does this stuff work. I mean, really works. Here are the masks from the thumbnail, and even though I didn't smooth any of these out, it still looks really cool and neat with the chrome on top. And this is done with just one coat. Because this stuff looked way better than the powder, I went over his spine again. As you can imagine, it's just like paint. The only thing is you need UV light to cure it. Even though the container looks really small, it's filled all the way to the top, and a little goes a long way with this stuff, especially if you're working on a small scale. I got this gel from Temu. I'll leave a link to the gel and the video I originally saw it in the description. I recommend you check Temu out. They have lots of other cool stuff and it's actually where I got the chrome powders. I plan on doing a little haul and a review for some of the stuff I already bought in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Not sponsored, by the way. The only thing I'll say about this stuff is that it doesn't like to be top coated. Someone even showed in one of the reviews on the website that top coating it with an actual nail top coat kinda makes it dull. So if you're really set on putting some extra protection over this stuff, you might have to play around a bit with some sealants. But with that all being said, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy some epic chromification. really happy with how the tail turned out, and I'll definitely be using this hack in the future. Like always, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Stay sweet, and I'll see you next time.